Hey guys, welcome out to beautiful, as you can see, Newnan, Georgia. I am so excited, so excited to bring you this opportunity. Whenever I can get you into like a phase 1 or phase 2 of a community in a wonderful area with great schools, great lot sizes, great floor plans, I get real stoked. If people still use that term. They did when I was a kid. But basically means really excited. Price point of these are going to be from the 5s to about maybe 7s, eventually probably into the 800s. But if you want some of your favorite floor plans that I have featured, 2-story family rooms, lots of master on main opportunities, 3 floor plans that go up to about 5,300 square feet, 3-level homes, some with basement lots. Process of this right now, I'm taping this in September, September 2nd of 2022, is they're currently doing $500 lot reservations, which means when the lot starts getting graded and stuff like that, you'll have the opportunity to then write a contract probably a couple weeks or a couple months down the line, where you have your final pricing, and you will have the opportunity to go to a design center, pick out cabinet colors, flooring colors, carpet colors, possibly some external elevation things with brick, stone, hardy plank combinations, shake and added trim. So this is that kind of community that is very special. It's kind of giving you that customized experience, but not have to go find land, hire an architect, hire a builder, deal with permitting. The builder already does that. And when you try to build on your own land and your own lot, it potentially could cost you 50%, 75%, 100% more than a situation like this. When you see some of these floor plans, you become our client, we will send you, some of my video tours of it. You will be blown away. I'll say, where do I sign up? I'm gonna do a little drive-through tour. First time I'm coming through the community. Because we sold probably about 9 with this builder, we definitely get some great information when they're opening up new communities. And I love both of these on-site agents, so we've worked with them on a couple deals here in the Newnan area, a couple communities. And let's just drive through. As you can see already, the lots are spectacular. You can see this one, they are about to pour the slab foundation on. Here's a couple lots, have for sale signs up on it. So if you want to be a little higher up, you can do it for those. And you can see this is how they get the land prepped. They start clearing out the trees, they start grading out the land, and as we go down this hill, you'll see the big cat cranes and stuff like that. Oh, look at that one. What a beautiful lot that is. Oh, wow. And that one's reserved. And we go back to the back of the community. So no swim, tennis, anything like that. But you're gonna have lot sizes where if you want to build your own pool down the line, stuff like that. It's one of those builders that I have to see if they still are going to do it, but I know sometimes they can't finish a basement for you too. You gotta be careful with that as far as appraisals. You gotta make sure you have the money in case it doesn't appraise, because there's not gonna be a lot of comps, to support it for a new home. So you just gotta be careful when it comes down to that. There's probably will be some kind of mail kiosks down here. You can see cul-de-sac lot coming up here. This is going to be a very special place because, like I said, I've seen a lot of their products. I've sold and closed on 9 of them so far. My 10th one is going to be later this month. My client built with this builder on a 4-acre lot, which is incredible. But yeah, you're going to be sitting on pretty much most of these are going to be 1-acre lots. School is right down the street. You're probably about 11-12 minutes from downtown Newnan. It's definitely a rural feel. It's a rural vibe, but yet you're probably maybe about 12-13 minutes to the expressway. But it's giving you what a lot of people want. And they want a big house if they can afford it. Again, 5, 6s, and 7s. On some of their bigger floor plans, we're talking about like those 3,800 to 5,300 square feet. They're probably going to ask for about a 10% non-refundable deposit. Because this is, again, is like a semi-custom experience for you. Builder is financing all this deal. You know, that 10% deposit, you know, say you're looking at a $700,000 house, you know, you put down $70,000. The great thing about it, though, is, you know, if you're doing a 10% down jumbo type of loan program, you've already paid for your down payment. That money is not just given to the builder. You close on that home, that's your down payment. Or if you're putting 20% down, that's half of your down payment. They're also going to contribute, I think it's like $4,000 or $5,000 towards your closing costs with one of their preferred lenders. One of the lenders that we work with is a part of their preferred lender situation. So you'll be able to do like extended rate locks. On something like this, I probably would do at least a 1-year rate lock. Probably build time on slab homes, which are non-basement homes, I would say would probably be about 10 months. Basements, you're probably looking at 11, 12, 13 months. So that's why it's so important to have representation, which is, you know, what I am. I am your broker. I am your representative to kind of walk you through this process, to talk to you about these type of things when you're thinking about, you know, applying for a mortgage and which lender to work with and doing extended rate locks. But just driving through, as you guys can see, Newnan is a very, very special place. It's an untapped area to me. You will have a lot of agents, a lot of brokers, a lot of high-end, high affluent ones that will, you know, push you to the Buckheads, the Sandy Springs, the Alpharettas, the Roswells. And don't get me wrong, good areas, but very, very expensive areas. What I pride myself in is opportunities like this where, as you can see, you're not sacrificing. I'm not telling you to go into a rough area or area with bad schools or anything like that. I'm talking about areas that just have not been highlighted by a lot of real estate brokers or the greater Atlanta, you know, associations, builders associations. And what I pride myself is that, like I said, I've gotten 4 or 5 people here in Newnan over the last year and a half, and now there's more and more opportunities opening up because other people are telling their friends and family. They're saying, hey Mark, hey Kurt, I want to consider, you know, a place like Newnan to build my home. And when you see my videos, when you see the type of homes that you're going to be able to build, again, talking about 4, 5 bedroom homes, when you do on a basement, potentially 6, 7, 8 bedrooms if you ever needed it. And to be able to build it for under $1 million, and in a lot of cases 5s, 6s, and 7s, it's just an absolutely jaw-dropping opportunity for you. And you just look at this setting. I'm just gonna roll down the window because I don't know the glare. But look at this. I want to actually park and just walk by a couple of the lots so you can see. But Newnan is going to be a great area to raise your kids. It's a great place to retire. It's a great place to, you're tired of the city. You know, you're tired of the hustle and bustle, and you'd want a place that not only can you live, but maybe even work out of. If you're a work from home employee, If you're retired military, are you thinking about starting a family? These are all opportunities for you to live in your long-term home or potentially your forever home. And I'm just going to park over here on the side and just walk, a few lots with you so you get a total feel for it. So let me park right here, unbuckle my seatbelt, and let's just walk. Let's walk a few. Shut the car off. And I want you to hear, not just see, but hear the type of living you're going to have. My keys are in there. So here's what the process starts with. So you secured a lot, they release it. You're going to go down to Sonoya, Georgia, to their design center, their model home down there. And you're going to start picking out, like I said, your faucets, your cabinet colors. Do you want to do your backsplash herringbone style or subway tile or some unique feature on it? You're going to have the opportunity to. You're going to be able to, you come to town if you're relocating and watch the progress. Fly in. You're only probably be about 40 minutes to the airport. Watch the progress. You're going to have me, Mark, come out here and when I'm in the area, do some video tours for you. But you can see how lovely these lots are. You're not on top of each other. Look how much side yard. Where I'm standing will probably be a driveway. Looks like it'll probably be a side entry garage. And look at these views. The bigger the lot, probably the more the lot deposit will be, or the price of the home. But just listen. Taping this again, September 2nd of 2022. Blue sky day. We've gotten so much rain lately. It's just great to feel that sun come down again. And look at the footprint of this house, right? Again, I have video tours I've sold. Like I said, about to sell my 10th one with this builder. I have an amazing relationship with them, the on-site agents. Everything you're going to need to make it a smooth process for you. All we're going to need is, well-qualified buyers that, listen to our advice, that are well-qualified. Again, you're not looking at a down payment assistance type of program for a product like this. These are big homes, like I said, up to 5,300 square feet. So like I said, it fits a great profile for a family. It's a great profile for a retired couple, a retired person. Great demographic would be if you're about to have kids, or you already have kids, or you have an aging parent and you expect them to eventually, live with you, or you entertain a lot for the holidays and you need the space. What you see is this is actually probably on the smaller side of one of the smaller lots. And look how big it is. It's gigantic. So make sure you follow the process, guys. Schedule your general consultation with us. If you're already pre-approved, send us your pre-approval. We'll schedule a Zoom consultation. If you don't have a pre-approval, click on that link to Mario, get your pre-approval, and then schedule a consultation. If you just don't know where to begin on this process, just have general questions, hit the general consultation calendar link and schedule a Zoom consultation with us. Again, couple details. Their largest floor plans, probably looking at 10% down, $500 lot reservation, and probably on those floor plans that are under 3,800 square feet, only $5,000 earnest money. All right, guys, Newnan, Georgia, GreatHomesATL. Hope you enjoyed this drive-through tour and walk-through tour, and I look forward to having you part of our family here at GreatHomesATL. We'll talk to you soon.